everyone, welcome back to English class. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we are going to do a new poem from the book Honeycomb. Name of the poem is Garden Snake, which is very beautiful short poem. And first of all, let's talk about the poet. Morel L. Sonne is a famous author and poet, and his literary work is known worldwide. Explanation. And he was born on October 31, 1913. Okay, so it is the very small introduction. I didn't able to find the picture of the poet, right? So let's talk about the poem Garden Snake, which is a very short beautiful poem about the snake. As you know that in our two or three chapters we have read about the snakes, that these animals are very dangerous, these reptiles are very dangerous and always used to bite others, and because of their poisonous bite anybody can be killed by them. So in this snake, in this poem, we are going to read about the very special type of snakes which never hurt anyone. Okay, so let's talk about the poem. First of all, introduction is given, small introduction is given here. Have you ever seen a snake fighting a mongoose, or getting into a hole, or swimming in the river? Everyone, almost everyone believes that snakes are dangerous. Some are, most are not. Read this poem on a harmless garden snake. So as the poet is asking, have you ever seen a snake fighting a mongoose? I think nobody has seen, but yes, they have heard and they have read about it. And obviously we have seen and we have heard about the snakes, that they are very dangerous, and they always used to kill others, but some are dangerous but most are not. So in this poem we are going to read about a harmless garden snake. So let's talk about the poem. First of all, I am going to read out the poem line by line. So please listen carefully and look into your books. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, but mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there's no mistake. It's just a harmless garden snake. Very short, beautiful poem. So in the first line, I saw a snake and ran away. Who is I? The poet. So poet said that he had seen a snake and ran away. Ran away means he just left the place because he had seen the what? Yes. What? Snake. So ran away, moved away from there. Some snakes are dangerous, they say, because he had heard that some snakes are very dangerous. Okay, so causing danger. But mother says that kind is good. So but afterwards, when I got scared from the snake, I told my mother, but my mother said that kind is good. Means the snake which you have seen there, it was of a good kind and eats up insects for his food, and he always used to eat insects only. Okay, not anything else. So mother told him that garden snakes are good since it eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, wiggles means move in a jerky movements, like side to side. Obviously he never snakes never move up forward straightly, they just wiggles on the grass. So see, the poet is saying when he wiggles in the grass, and he using he, the poet is using he for the snake. Okay, most of the time we use it for the animals, but here, as it is the poet is specifying the snake, so he is using he. So when he wiggles in the grass, when the snakes wiggle in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass. So I will stand means in future, if he will see, he just be on the one side and stood aside to let him pass and tell myself there's no mistake. And if he will let him pass and would tell himself that garden snake is harmless. It's just a harmless garden snake. So the boy decided that next time if he sees the garden snake, he will let him pass and would tell himself that garden snake is harmless. So this is the short poem, and I hope you all have understood it clearly, because nothing is difficult in the poem. Only the just you can say like ran away, they say. Good food, grass pass, mistakes, and snake. So these are the rhyming words by which it converted into the poem. Okay, so away, say. You can see the pronunciation is same. So they are rhyming words. Good food, grass pass, mistake, snake. So with the help of this rhyming words, these simple sentences converted into the poem, which is very beautiful. So I hope you all have understood this beautiful poem. Thank you.